Hi guys, this is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life. I think this is a Kickstarter, but I'm not recognizing the name. So I figured I would just play it safe and do an unboxing. And if it's not Kickstarter, I just don't have to put it up, right? Nice. Okay. I actually opened it earlier, so I must already know that it's a Kickstarter. I do. I'm crinkling. I'm sorry. So, full disclosure, I opened this yesterday when we got home from our trip, and because I did not recognize the name, so I did look inside. I haven't taken anything out, but I wanted to see what it was. So this is a tarot deck based on the artwork of, and I'm never good at saying his name, Mucha? Insert the correct pronunciation here. Oh, I got a piece of selenite. Oh, nice. Okay, moving the box out of the way. So, Art Nouveau. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a coloring book. Oh, interesting. Looks a little bit thrown together, but it's just an extra, so probably not that big a deal. Just extra, just extra. Okay. So this deck creator is from Clinton, Tennessee, or at least that's where this shipped from. And that's pretty cool because it's fairly close to me. We just traveled through Tennessee the other day. I don't recall which part of Tennessee Clinton is in, but that would not be too difficult to figure out. Oh, these are all art prints. Oh, that is so pixelated. Yikes. Empress and the High Priestess look very similar. The Magician and the Emperor look very similar. No animals on the Chariot. It's a different style, it seems. Maybe I'm wrong. Hermit. It's nice to see the cards big, blown up. give me a better sense of what's coming with the normal size cards. Let's zoom in a little bit. I feel like I have lots of space. Oh, there's the backs. It's on the back of the box too. Nice. Created by Anthony and Shanna Patterson. It's a linen finish. It's nice cardstock. It's kind of like a pip deck because there's really no meaning to the illustrations. Let's move these out of the way. 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 7 of Cups, 6 of Cups. See, there's no real like illustration to it. It seems like a pip deck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 'I'm sure we'll do the aces later. 10 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 4, 3, 2, and for some reason I have a bunch of aces, so let's try to find the pentacles. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. And then everything's out of order, so let's do all the aces, I think. Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups. Sorry, I'm just getting them in order. Not really in order, because they're all out of order, but semi-orderly. Okay, so let's do the pages. Page of Cups, Page of Swords, Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles. Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, King of Swords, King of Wands, King of Pentacles, King of Cups. All right, so no guidebook, which is fine because, like I said, it's just a pip deck. So I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. This little unboxing, this little thing. Hope you guys have a great week. Bye.